About this item, Wi-Fi power line adapter provides power line transfer speeds up to 1300 Mbps, up to dual band 1200 Mbps, 300 Mbps 2.4 GHz plus 867 Mbps 5 GHz, Wi-Fi, ideal to be Ethernet extender who can easily go over the walls 2x2 MIMO, establishes multiple simultaneous connections for you to enjoy higher power line speeds and greater stability. Touch Wi-Fi configuration. One press of the Wi-Fi button copies the network name and password from your router. Any setting changes will be automatically applied to the entire power line network. Extra power socket. Get power from the outlet for your other devices with the integrated power socket. 3x Gigabit ports. Provide secure wired networks for desktops, smart TVs, or games consoles. One mesh. Works with your TP-Link One Mesh router to form a unified mesh network for seamless streaming while moving around your home. Plug and play. Set up your power line network and start enjoying fast, seamless wired/wireless connections in minutes. Please note that power line adapters must be deployed in sets of 2 or more and that power line adapters must be on the same electrical circuit for connectivity.